The quagga was a special type of zebra that lived long ago in South Africa. It was related to the plain zebra but looked quite different. The front part of its body had black and white stripes like a zebra, but the stripes faded toward the back, and its hindquarters were brown and plain, like a horse. This made the quagga look like a mix between a zebra and a horse. Its name, quagga, came from the sound it made, something like quaha. The quagga lived in the dry grasslands of South Africa. It liked to live in groups, called herds, and ate mainly grass. Just like other zebras, quaggas spent most of their day grazing and moving around to find food and water. They were social animals that stayed close together for protection. When danger came, such as lions or other wild animals, they would run away quickly as a group. Quaggas were smaller than most zebras. They stood about 1.25 meters tall at the shoulder and weighed around 250 kilograms. Their stripe pattern was very special. No two quaggas looked exactly the same. The stripes were bold on the head and neck but faded into a light brown body, ending with a tail that had a tuft of hair at the end. Their manes stood upright and had the same black and white stripes as their head. Sadly, the quagga became extinct in the late 1800s when European settlers arrived in South Africa. They began hunting quaggas for their meat and skin. Farmers also killed them because quaggas ate the grass that their sheep and cattle needed. As more and more quaggas were hunted, their numbers quickly dropped. The last wild quagga was killed in the 1870s, and the last one in captivity died in 1883 at a zoo in Amsterdam. After that, no quaggas were left in the world. For a long time, people thought the quagga was a completely different animal from zebras. But later, scientists discovered that it was actually a subspecies of the plain zebra. In the 1980s, DNA from preserved quagga skin proved that they were closely related. This discovery led to a project called the Quagga Project, where scientists are trying to bring back animals that look like quaggas by breeding zebras with fewer stripes. Some of these new zebras already look very similar to the quagga, although they are not exactly the same. The story of the quagga is sad but also important. It reminds us how easily animals can disappear when humans are not careful. The quagga went extinct because people hunted it too much and did not think about protecting it. Today, we can learn from this mistake and take better care of the animals that still live on our planet. Even though the quagga is gone, its memory lives on through old drawings, stuffed museum specimens, and the efforts of scientists who are trying to bring back its unique beauty.